Here's how you can connect your Xbox One to the UWW Play Wi-Fi. First, your device will need to be registered by its wireless MAC address. To find the address, go to your Xbox settings, click on Network and Advanced Settings. The wireless MAC address will be listed there. To register your Xbox One, go to mydevices.uww.edu and log in with your NetID and password. Click on the Add button and enter your Xbox wireless MAC address. Name your device and click Submit to register it. Once your Xbox is registered, you can connect your device to the Wi-Fi. Return to your Xbox One settings and select Network. Select Setup Wireless Network and then Add Wireless Network to type in the Wi-Fi. Type UWW Play exactly as shown here, as it is case sensitive. You do not need a password. Your Xbox One is now connected to the Wi-Fi. For further questions, you can email us at resnet@uww.edu.